Mark! What did you do to that girl and made her leave behind?
And what is your business? Huh? You know, sometimes I wonder in my confusion how a grown-up like you with balls will be poke-nosing into other people's business.
Enough!
Don't you have something to do for your life?
Enough, Mark! Stop insulting me!
No, it's obvious. You're a complete NFA. No future ambition. You have nothing to do with your useless life. That's why you have time to go into other people's business. The next time you stop me to talk trash like this again, you're not going to like my action.
Mark!
Nonsense.
Am I trying to help you?
No, Mama. This is causing a rift between your father and I. Huh? Please try and get us a wife so that we can see our grandchildren. Please, my son.
It is Ify or no one else. You don't understand. I am rooted in love with her. I can't help it. I love her.
My son, don't worry. And don't get yourself worked up. I just wish she changes her mind. But I will continue to pray for you. Okay?
I hope so, Mama. Most importantly, I want you to help me tell Papa that in no distant time, I'll present a wife. Oh?
Thank you, my son. I know God will do it. Because what God cannot do does not exist. Yes. Give me that smile, like your father.
Thank you, Mama.
My son is well.
Mama Greg. Nne Grigri. Bia. Hold on. You have not told me when Greg is coming home with the woman he has chosen to marry.
Nah, is that why you're calling me?
It's not enough to call
He
him.
said he will come back soon.
What?
Soon now?
Why are you sounding like that? Why are you giving me a blank check? Soon. How soon is the soon? Huh? You left the village to the city to find out the exact time our son will be coming home with the woman he wants to marry. And you're just telling me rubbish now. Ha!
No. In fact, when I went to the city, things weren't as I thought when I got there. Yes. Actually, Greg has seen a girl he wants to settle down with. A girl he wants to marry. And he has shown the girl to me. She's good. In fact, from the look of things, the girl will be a good wife to our son.
You still have not answered my questions. When is he bringing her down to the village here to show me? Yes. When?
Enukwam. He didn't tell me. Ogwaham.
What? So, you hopelessly left this place and went to the city to waste this time and come back with the same, having no concrete evidence of your travel. Eh?
Nah, I don't know why you are just taking things the way you're taking. I don't like it.
I am disappointed in you. Nonsense. Hey! These people have no good plan for me. Better I plan something, an alternative. Nonsense. I don't know when she'll be coming.
What are you saying? No, what are you trying to say?
No, what I'm trying to say is that I think Mark was right in what he did. He wasn't wrong.
Excuse me. You don't see anything wrong with him lacing your drink?
Ada, I put him under pressure with my excessive demand for closeness. Yes. When he was trying to let me know how busy he was, I never listened to him because of my stubbornness. So it's not really bad if he put me to sleep.
You know, sometimes when I look at you, are you listening to yourself talk? Because I can't believe you're the one saying this. So you don't see anything wrong with him drugging you?
Drug? Ada, please don't use such word.
But that is what it is. It is what it is.
What I realized that I didn't really act nice around him. So if he comes with apology, I would forgive him.
This is so unbelievable.
Baby, it is love. Baby.
Hi.
I'm fine. How are you?
You were...
Coming to your house?
Oh, what? Gentle, so open the gate.
No, it's fine, it's fine. My client is actually waiting for me. I just came to discuss something important with you. It won't take your time.
Oh, I was actually going out. Then come in and talk.
Okay. See, Greg, I've seen you, okay? And I know your intentions are genuine. I know you mean well for my friend, and I know you're the best man for her. In as much as she's proving headstrong now, I don't like the way Mark is treating her. I know that Mark is not good for my friend. I know he's playing with my friend's emotion, and she can't even say it. I just want to applaud you, okay? Please don't give up, okay? Please don't give up. No matter what she does to you, no matter how she treats you, I don't want you to give up. On my own end, I'll keep trying. I'll keep talking to her and make sure she understands that you're the best man for her. Please, she'll come around. I don't want you to give up, okay?
To her, I must say that your words have given me courage, and like you said, I'll keep pushing.
Keep pushing. Keep pushing. I know that your intentions are clear.
I love her.
I know. I can see.
Thank you. So, where do you say we'll meet up at your car?
Yes, my junction next to the other street.
Baby, please. I swear I didn't know what came over me. I thought I was doing the right thing. I thought I was being smart and disciplined. And to be honest, I was always scared of making love with you.
And what exactly do you mean by that? What do you mean you're scared of making love to me?
Maybe because I didn't want to get you pregnant before marriage.
So, you're really funny. So what is wrong with you getting me pregnant when you know that eventually we're going to get married?
Yes, but I've always wished to marry first before getting my wife pregnant. Especially when it has to do with a woman I truly love. And you know I truly love you.
Don't touch me! Oh, please! What nonsense are you talking about? Okay, what has been keeping you from getting married to me? What has been your delay all this while?
My work, my career.
Okay.
Baby, I'm so ashamed of saying this, but please forgive me. I need you in my life. Without you, there's no life for me to live. Please.
I see. Your work, your career. Please, Mark, go and get married to your work and your career and leave me be. Since it's obvious you don't give me the attention that I deserve. As your woman, am I even asking for too much? I am tired of the expensive things you buy for me. Give me your attention or leave me.
Baby, I promise you, I am going to make it up to you, whatever it takes. Whatever it takes, you know me. Please, you know there's nobody in this world for me the way you are now. We are meant to be now. Remember how we used to make out. Remember everything.
Leave me be.
We know I would never cheat on you.
What haven't I done? I mean, I've tried everything. None seem to be working.
You know, we girls, little things matters, yeah?
Things like what?
Let's take for example, she likes strawberries.
Strawberries?
Yes. So if you can start by, buying all those little things, surprising her and all that, you might get her attention.
All right. I'll get her strawberry.
Yeah, she likes
She
strawberries.
likes strawberries.
Yeah, she likes strawberries. So you start, sorry, excuse me. Hello? Yes. When you get to the end of the road, just take your right. You see a black car. I'm inside the black car. Yes, keep coming till you get to the end of the road. Yes. Okay, look. You're right, yes, take your right. I've seen you. Alright, I'm coming. That's my client.
Oh, all right.
Alright, take
We'll
care of
talk
yourself.
more.
Definitely. Remember strawberries.
I won't forget.
Alright, take care, okay?
You too.
Bye. How are you? Okay. Have a seat.
Thank you, baby.
So, what do I offer you?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe yourself and more.
You're naughty. Okay, babes, I haven't forgotten a thing about you. And I know exactly what to give to you.
Really? Tell me.
Oh, or better still, let me quickly make you noodles. I know you love it.
Perfect.
Yeah.
You always know how to get it.
Alright, baby.
Yeah.
All right,
Thanks for
come in.
setting me back.
I'm coming, baby.
Hello? Yes, sir. Good day, sir. Of course, sir. No, sir, I actually went to pick up a way bill at the park. You're in my office? Of course, I'll be there. I can be there in 5 minutes, sir. I'll drive as fast as I can. Yes, I'll be there. Yes, sir, thank you. Oh, how do I tell her I have to leave now? I can't miss this 20 million. 20 million.
So, baby. Did he go outside? Mark? Babe? Where's my phone? Hello, babe. I just brought your food and you're not here. What? So after everything you have to leave me? No! What are you doing here, Greg?
Finally, she calls my name. You need to see how sweet it came out from your mouth. What are you doing here, Greg?
You still have not answered my question. What have you come here to do?
Well, I have come to see you. I've met a lot of women in my lifetime, but none seem to have swept me off my feet the way you do.
So because you have met a lot of women, and now you have crowned yourself a good actor, and you so much believe that it will be so easy for you to woo a woman like me just like that.
Take a good look around here. I can't find cameras, sound, and a director, which means I'm not acting. I've come to tell you nothing but the truth. I found love in you. As a matter of fact, it appears that you rule my world already.
You should go. I mean now.
All right, I brought you your favorite cranberries. I'm sure you like it.
Thanks, but no thanks.
I have met up with my man and we're very good to go. So take your cranberry or whatever it is you bought for me and go. Goodbye. Her birthday is in 2 days, so you can still try.
Thank you.
Welcome. Can I? Yes. Thank you. Bye. 2 days. Bye. Take care. Bye. Perfect, Jen. Goodbye. Bye. See my friends here. Got on a tape. Man, you don't want to tight. Carry me there, go. You want to 40. Baby, just see your uko. Jesus.
Easy up to 40.
Look at it now. You blind? Can't you see? You want to tighten it now? Why are you going? You want there? It very tight. Yeah, it should be. It should be more than. Carry me there, go. Jehovah, carry me there, go. My husband has. My waist is 45. You're asking me if it's up to. Carry me there, go. My husband has like all these clothes to be tight. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, swear. See, 5. Mark is calling me. Eh? What does he want? Don't pick that call. Hello?
Hello, baby. I am so sorry. Forgive me. I even came to the house the other day to check on you. I didn't see you. I am sorry. I will make it up to you. I'm sorry, babe. Please forgive me.
It's okay. Where are you now?
Oh, I'm at the office with a client.
Have you eaten? Please try and eat though. There is ulcer. I don't want you to have ulcer, please. I miss you. Okay, no problem. You know what's happening in 2 days?
I really don't. I'm sorry.
How can you say that? You don't know my birthday is in 2 days.
Oh, forgive me. I am so sorry. I am sorry for forgetting your birthday. I am sorry for you. Please forgive me.
It's alright. So you'll be coming over now, expecting you on that day.
Definitely, I will be in your place in 2 days' time. Please let me attend to my client now.
This is your village people. Your village people is at war, but you don't know. So you mean you're talking to Mark like this on the phone? Really? He asked for forgiveness. After everything he did. So you're talking to Mark on the phone without apology. Oh, you're on the phone saying, have you eaten? Oh, sir. Like, for real?
When you finish the measurement, please, let's not talk about
I'm not measuring anything. I'm talking about something important. Finish the measurement yourself.
And then why are you taking it personal? Is it your relationship?
Oh my God. If you come and see. Oh my goodness. A car gift. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ify, come and see. Thank you.
Token of my love for you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. I appreciate it. But I can't take this kind of gift from a man I have little and no intention to date. Sorry, thank you.
Leave me be. Ify. Can you just hold on, please? Ify.
My dear, I'm setting up already. I hope you won't be long if you go out.
Have a nice day. Don't be long, go. Anyway, your cake will be waiting for you. This thing should stand well. Alright. Come, my baby. So he didn't show up as usual. Madam, wake up.
Mark.
Which Mark?
My baby.
Oh, who's your baby? He didn't show up, can't you see?
He didn't show up.
He didn't show up as usual. Shift for me, please.
Wait. He hasn't come.
Is it not obvious? You've been here all alone, sleeping on your birthday.
Not again. Maybe something might have gone wrong.
Nothing happened. I don't know, why do you like making excuses for this guy? Because I don't understand. This is not the first time, this is not the second time, and definitely not the third time.
I know, but I see no reason for his absence. I mean...
Do you want us to bet money? You go to his office now and you see him sitting right there in front of his computer. I mean, obviously this guy spends money on you. All he knows how to do is to buy you expensive hairs, expensive phones and wares. But can't show up on your birthday? I mean, it's crazy.
It's something I have to find out because I can't just believe he would do this. I mean, not today of all days. Not today.
As if it's the first time he's doing it. Sometimes I don't know. I don't know. What do you even see in that guy? He's scruffy looking. With all his money, he doesn't even know how to dress.
Hey, babe. It's my man you're talking about here. Don't insult him.
Obviously the truth, babe. Like, your man is always looking as if he's not even the one giving you all these things. Like the hair.
Can you stop? Please, today is my day. Don't worsen it for me.
Okay, sorry. Can we start by cutting the cake?
I'm not interested.
I'm playing your boyfriend here, your best friend, your girlfriend, and your housemate. Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Come on, have this. Let's pop this wine.
And you're gonna cut that cake without Mac.
Which area Mark? So I'll not eat cake because Mark is not here. Thunder fire Mark. Give me this cake.
Don't thunder him.
Not in this house. It will never happen.
And the house you're referring to happens to be mine.
And it's mine too by virtue of marriage.
Oh, good.
It's also mine.
That is why you should go ahead and pack your things now because I am sending you back to your people without any delay.
That will not happen. It will never happen. What right-thinking man will at this age think about even trying to get another wife? Tell me. Eh? Didn't I give you a child?
A child that has refused to give me grandchildren. A child that has refused to marry. Even when he's clocking 35. That is the kind of child you give me. Nonsense. If you like them, in fact, go and tell that your child, Greg, that I'm no longer his father. I am going straight to take another wife and make children from her. Yes.
Nobody knows even what he's talking. Are you talking a child? Are you talking of children or grandchildren?
Children is children. Why? Anyone. I mean, jumping over me. When I go and get some sweet palm wine, then I'll be sipping it with them. That's what I want. I don't care who is grand and who is.
Now you're getting me pissed. Do you understand? And it's getting here. And I can't enjoy it anymore. I will go in there, pick up my phone, and call your son. I'm tired of this, your madness.
That's the best way. That's what I'm expecting you to say. That's what I'm expecting you to say. Yes. Go and report me to the child I labored so much to train in school. Made him, stood him as a man. He became somebody. And he has refused to give me peace. He has refused to give me grandchildren. He has refused to give me everything that justifies me as an elderly man. Go and let him know. Go and report me to him. Oh?
I'm tired of
Report me to
standing
him.
here to listen
Let
to
him
you.
come and call police or army and arrest me. Useless woman.
I never believe love is so real. I never believe it's strong like this. I never know love can change and transform just like this. Love came more in I am. She's so exceptional, so reserved. Imagine me fall in love. Oh.
Babe,
Oh, please don't tell me that. Don't even babe me. Please.
darling, I'm sorry.
Just stop. Aren't you tired of saying you're sorry over and over again? You should be ashamed of yourself, because you keep doing this all the time. I don't like it. You're not tired of embarrassing me because I love you. You don't even care about me. That's the truth.
Baby, that's not true. I care about you and I'm truly sorry for this. Please, baby.
Please, just keep looking forward. I don't want to die young.
Okay, but I am truly sorry and I'm going to make it up to you.
That's what I get to hear every day. No sign of love, care, or concern. What is that? Am I the only one in a relationship?
I never believe love is so real. I never believe it's strong like this. I never know love can change and transform just like this. Love came more in I am. She's so exceptional, so reserved. Imagine me fall in love. Oh. I love you, my baby.
Baby, you shouldn't have done that.
Why? I've told him several times, leave me alone. I have a relationship. You can date my friend Adana if you're so much in love with me. At least you can transfer the love to her, but he wouldn't listen.
I guess he's in love.
In love with someone already in love? What a miss.
Yeah, baby. I know it's natural and normal for lots of guys to be attracted to the rare beauty like you. You know, that makes me the luckiest man in the whole world, having you as mine forever.
Please, I'm yours, and do you treat me well? Do I get your attention? I mean, do you do the things you're supposed to be doing as a man that has a babe like me?
Babe, don't I treat you right?
Give me all the accolade, but you can't give me ordinary attention.
I promise you from today, I'll be treating you right.
Don't promise. Your promises are always like that, yet you don't even fulfill any of them.
This is the mother of all promises.
Oh, please.
I'll surprise you. Thanks for today. It was fun.
Please.
I had a great time, baby.
Please.
I do. It's always fun hanging out with you.
I'm not asking for too much. Just do the needful. That's all.
I will.
Attention. I'm not asking
You'll
for
begin
more.
to see those changes. My angel. I feel for that guy. If he was older, he would have heart attack. Believe me.
He hasn't even seen anything yet. He deserves whatever he got.
That was crazy. That was crazy. Wow. Let's go home.
I think I would prefer if you use the other fabric, it would be better, trust me. Yes, we could use the sequence. You know that dress is plain, so when we use that sequence, it's going to bring out the color of the dress. Just trust me, let me do it for you. Oh, okay. So what are we agreeing on now? Blue or yellow? I think blue is also better, yeah. Okay, that's fine. Alright. Okay. Hello? Who's this? Greg. What? Accident? Where? How? Okay, I'm on my way. I can't believe he had an accident just because of a woman.
Whose business is it? What was he thinking drinking while driving? Who does that?
But you caused it.
How?
You caused it.
How did I cause it? Well, tell me. I told this guy to stay away from me, but he came right in front of my man. What were you expecting me to do? Of course I embarrassed him. I made him feel jealous by touching my man all over. Yeah. And to make matters worse, he was just there looking, moping like a moron. Leave me alone. No. He remained adamant. Kept coming close all the time. So I had nothing else to do but to create a little TV series for him to watch.
Ifeoma, if you really need to think about what you say or do, I just told you that this guy is in the hospital and you didn't even care.
Danny, if you so much love this guy, why don't you go to the hospital to take care of him?
Really?
Yes, I have a headache. You go.
Do you need me to get you a pain reliever?
I just need to rest. If I sleep, I'll be fine. Yeah? Please.
Oh yeah, try and sleep.
No, I can't hold it anymore.
What is it?
My head. My head aches. It's as if it wants to fall off.
No, it won't fall off.
Ah!
Sorry. Where did you go with Mark?
Nowhere. Oh, just the restaurant we went to eat.
Let me call him to take you to the hospital. Wait. Let me call him. Sorry. Should I get you water?
Hey!
Wait, baby.
It's very severe.
Hello? Yes, who is this? Oh, Ada. Good evening. How are you? Really? What is she complaining about? Headache. Just give her pain reliever if you have then. No, it's normal after long outing. Just give her the pain reliever. She should be fine by morning. Hospital? No. I don't think it has gotten to that yet. She doesn't need to go to hospital for anything. It's just ordinary headache. Ada, I don't think I can come now. I don't think I can come because I'm still very much busy at the office. But please tell her that I love her. Hello? Hello? Ordinary headache.
What did he say? He's just talking rubbish. Let me go outside and know if I can see a cab that will take us to the hospital, okay? Oh, just hold up. I'm coming. It's okay, I'm coming.
Hello, babe. I was told you were not feeling fine. What is wrong with you? No, I haven't eaten, but I will get something to eat. I'm still at the office. Babe, you need to take drugs. That's what you need the most right now. And paracetamol to be precise. Yes. Babe, I have a program for a client that I need to finish because tonight is the deadline. Oh yes. Babe, tonight is the deadline and I'm the only one in the office. Babe, I can't come now. I can't come now. I really need to finish this now. And it's even late. Look at the time. Babe, I'm sure you'll be fine. Just get some rest. Take this paracetamol the way I said it and you'll be... Yes, I'm telling you. Just take the paracetamol and you come back to health. It's perfectly normal. Okay. I'll be there. Just give me 30 minutes. Okay, 25. Okay, I'll be there. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm coming. Here! What kind of thing is this now? Ordinary headache. I should come and take her to the hospital. Ordinary headache that paracetamol can cure. I don't like this, so. I am here working for the both of us.
It's getting serious, though. I did not see any cab. Everywhere is dark. Wait, sorry. Put your head on my... Sorry. Put your head on my lap. It's okay. Easy. I think I should call Greg. Greg? Yes, so I have to call the one I know that your life matters to.
How are you feeling now, Greg?
Doctor, I still feel this sharp pain within this region. I mean, this whole area. It's paining me seriously. I just said
you are still bleeding. You see, that's why you still have to spend more days in the hospital so that we can take proper care of you. Alright?
Yeah, hold on. What? No. I'm on my way. I said I'm on my way.
Greg, where are you going?
I have a situation here. I need to go pick up. So, and you, stay right here. I'll bring you.
You are still bleeding.
I said.
Greg, come on.
No,
You're still bleeding.
Don't worry. I said, just stay at the office. I'll bring you some right away. Stay right. Oh, damn.
Greg,
I'll be right back.
You didn't have to call him. But I have to call the one your life mattered the most to. Not the one that is working in his office at the expense of your own life. Eh?
But Mark said he will be here.
If you please just stop talking. Save this strength when we get to the hospital, okay? Let Greg get here first.
What's wrong with her?
She's not feeling fine. She's not...
What's wrong?
You're bleeding.
Just never mind. What?
Let's take her to the hospital.
Yes, yes, please.
Love came more in Naija.
Sorry. Can you help me with the dog? Sorry.
Easy.
I love you, my baby.
Here. 1 a.m. It's better I sleep here and see her tomorrow morning. Besides, it's too late for me to be driving by this time. I'm sure she'll be fine by tomorrow morning. God, I'm so tired. I'm gonna forget to sleep. Hello, sir. Yes, I've sent the patch file to your Google Drive. You should check it. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Of course, I'm still very free. Yes, I can. You can send the prototype. Let me have a look at it. Okay. All right, sir.
Hello? Mark, what is it? The last time I spoke to you, you said I should give her painkiller. Better not, because we're not at home. We're at the hospital. Nixon's hospital. It's now that you know that you want to come to the house. Are you okay?
She's fit to go home now. And you're lucky you brought her here on time. It would have been a situation we wouldn't know how to manage. Her blood pressure is not so good, but I'll give her some medications that will relieve that. What she needs to do is to get some rest. Zero worries. I don't want anything to bug her brain so she can get better.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you.
Very well then. I'll be in my office so you can meet me up later.
Of course. I'll come to the office so I can make payment.
It's okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you. Thank
Wait
you.
for us to go.
Doc.
Greg. Greg, I want to use this opportunity to thank you for everything. For all the bad times. For all the insults. I am deeply sorry. Please forgive me.
Hey baby, sweetie, are you alright? I left everything I was doing at the office to be here. Are you okay?
I'm
Hey!
sorry for everything.
What are you doing here? What's he doing here?
Why are you asking? Forgive me, Greg.
Baby, I'm here!
You deserve better.
What are you talking about?
I want to let you know that
Is she alright?
I am here for you,
Sweetheart,
please.
is going on? Hey, my friend, leave this place now! I said leave this place!
Please don't go anywhere.
You're ignoring me.
Stay here. Please don't go anywhere.
I said leave! Are they alright? What's going on? Babe, are you hypnotized or what?
Mark!
Tell me what is going on. What's wrong with
What's
her?
going on is that it's time to go.
Go where?
Don't you know the time to
Go where? She's my girlfriend. I'm not going anywhere.
Mark, come and leave this place, please. I called you on the phone and you said I should give her painkiller. I've given her painkiller. She's well. Who's your baby? What is? You don't know your baby. Get out of this place, idiot. I should give her painkiller. Baby. You don't know your baby. And you left her to die. Nonsense.
I want to say I'm sorry. I'm so sorry for everything. For all the bad times. For all the insults. You honestly do not deserve this. You honestly do not deserve everything I did to you. I'm so sorry. Words only can't explain how grateful I am. Look at you. You took the risk to bring me to the hospital even when you're not fine.
Because I have to make sure that you are fine. I love you.
Thank you.
Love more in She's so exceptional, so reserved. Imagine me fall in love. Oh. I love you, my baby.
I'm here to see your boss. Go in and tell him I'm here.
So you're here to see my boss?
Yes, you
see
heard
my
me.
boss. But they don't ban you from coming to this.
My friend, shut up your mouth and go inside and call me your boss.
I don't want to beat you.
Get out. Mugu. Like boss, like servants. Birds of the same feathers that flock together.
May they give me permission.
Come get out of this place, idiot.
Just give me permission.
Hungry bastard. Greg, why have you not been taking my calls or returning them?
My guy, they talk to.
What? Shut up your mouth, animal. Have you suddenly gone dumb or deaf? Why have you not been taking my calls, Greg?
Just go inside.
Get lost, idiots. Greg?
I understand how you feel. But there is no need taking your calls or returning them because I want to focus on my life. I'm getting married, so I want to just stay glued, stay focused, and stay committed to her.
Really? So that is the reason you've not been taking my calls? Greg? Well, it's not your fault. But we shall see. You think you can use me and dump me just like that? Never, Greg. Animal.
just go inside.
I never believe love is so real. I never believe it's strong like this. I never know love can change and transform just like this. Love came more in Naija. She's so exceptional, so reserved.